Dave, it's absolutely fantastic to have you over from the States at Agile Yorkshire.
Well, one, thank you for inviting me. It's great to be in Yorkshire. So tonight's talk, we're going to talk a little bit about the future of Scrum. AI is playing a huge part. The constraints that Scrum was built on was predominantly delivery constraints. The world has changed. You can deliver a lot more, a lot faster. So what does the backlog look like? What are the product owner and Scrum Master and developers going to be focused on? So I'm really excited to share some of the ideas that are growing. You know, if you're consuming faster than you're providing, do you actually need a backlog?
Yeah.
I'm going to argue yes. However, the shape of the backlog is going to be different.
I mean, I think that kind of debate, that's absolutely what this group is all about. We think of Agile Yorkshire as a community practice.
So, Roy, I'm lucky that I get to travel the world and talk to all sorts of community events. And one thing that the Agile community in general has done a fantastic job of is creating a community of people that want to improve the practices for delivering value and do it in a humane way. You know, we talk a lot about Agile being dead, right?
Yeah.
What really disappoints me is, so we're saying those things aren't important anymore when they're even more important than they've ever been.
Yeah.
We have a huge opportunity to amplify their signal using technology like AI to really transform organizations so it actually will deliver on those principles that agility talked about 21 years ago.
Is there something you're going to share tonight that might surprise people?
I think the one thing that tends to always surprise people when we're talking about Scrum is that it's not a religion. And the way I describe it is common sense, practical approach to helping teams work together to deliver value for their customers, for their stakeholders, and do it in a way that doesn't kill them. I'm not going to argue about whether it's a daily Scrum or a daily stand-up, but I am going to emphasize the importance of the values of Scrum, of ownership, frequent inspection, through transparency, and show, hopefully tonight, how AI can connect into that.
Excellent, be great. Is there something that you're going to talk about tonight that you think people will be able to take away and maybe start employing tomorrow at work?
I think number one is that Scrum Masters are responsible for AI fluency inside their teams and their organizations. If we can instill that in Scrum Masters, not only does it increase their value in the organization, but it also emphasizes what they've always been about, which is that interface between technology and humans to deliver value. It's like managing context, helping your teammates build that fluency, you know, maybe putting a roadmap together to do that.